Hey everyone, it's Tonya Lawrence, the blockchain queen, here with a quick demo on how you sell coins on the Coinbase wallet. So you're going to go ahead and click on the Coinbase wallet, which is on the far left side. Click on wallet. And let's say in this scenario, let's start you back. Go back to the home screen just so we're starting off from the same place. And then on the very far right bottom is your wallet button. And in this example, let's say we want to sell Polymath, the very first coin. We click on Polymath and we can't directly sell it or send the cash out back to our wallets, our fiat wallets. That's why the cash out button in the middle on the right hand side of the screen is not lit up. So you would hit swap and you're going to swap your Polymath for Ethereum. Right now, the Ethereum is on the top, and right in between the Ethereum sign and the Poly sign, there's an up and down arrow. You hit that, and it will switch and put the Poly on top. In this case, you would put, it tells you what's available. You would put whatever amount that you want to put, and it shows you that if I took 12 out of Polymath and switched it to Ethereum, it would net $6.38. So you always got to be clear on how much you are going to net whenever you do a swap on an Ethereum network. Also, you want to make sure that you're using the correct network. So on both the Poly symbol and the Ethereum symbol, there's a tiny little Ethereum network symbol. You got to make sure you're using the same network. Okay, so in this case, you would hit continue, and then that balance would be moved to your Ethereum wallet. I'm not going to hit that. So then you would go back. Once you hit swap or whatever it said at the bottom, you would come back to your wallet. You would see the amount that you moved to your Ethereum wallet. You would click on Ethereum. And now you see the cash out button is highlighted. So on the right hand side of the screen in the middle, you would hit cash out and you can put the amount that you want to cash out. It tells you how much is available. So in this case, there's only like $4.88 in this hot wallet. And then it tells you actually where you want to deposit it to, and it gives you options. So you can choose whichever account you have connected to the wallet. And then you hit add bank account and complete the transaction.